Hello everyone, this is Jeb Hamwerger from goldstocktrades.com. Today is Friday, January 27th, 2012. It's about 4 p.m. right now. The market has just recently closed, and I wanted to give an update on some positions that we've been closely following. First off, we have for many weeks been saying uranium is going through a bottoming process. Our favorite pick in the space has been URZ Energy, which is located in the Powder River Basin in Wyoming. They're well funded, and they're constructing their in situ mine and should be producing by the end of the year close to 800,000 pounds of uranium. So we've liked this one, and we mentioned in October we came out with a report that URZ came to long-term trend support. If you draw a line from the 2010 correction and the 2009 correction, this area here was a very strong support level, and we have in fact seen a reversal off that level, and we're almost close. We've already doubled off the $1.17 level, and we're breaking through key resistance areas here at the $2.50 level, and we're now regaining the 200-day moving average. And notice there's been hardly much of a pullback. And this is characteristic of uranium. There's extreme pessimism followed by extreme euphoria. The last time that URZ made this move, it went up 6 times from its low, which was below $1, to $6. So if we take $1.50 and we multiply that by 6, that's close to a $9 possible move to $9. And that could be an impressive move, and that wouldn't be uncharacteristic of the uranium miners, that when the market does turn positive, that they move very aggressively higher. And now we've regained the 200-day. We're breaking through key resistance at the $2.50 mark, and we're now going to try to challenge the old March Fukushima highs. Now notice here, Fukushima occurred right here in the first week of March. We had this drop here. Well, in a few more weeks, that left side, that overhead resistance will be evaporate. And URZ will be hitting, if it breaks through and holds this 200-day moving average, will be hitting new 52-week highs. This is when we expect that a lot of investors will then re-enter the uranium sector in a very aggressive fashion, and we could see a very powerful move like we saw in 2010. So pay attention to this sector. I've been writing to you guys for a few weeks about this company, so stay tuned. Another company that we're quite excited about is KOR URZ Gold, which is working on its North Bullfrog property, located about a little more than an hour north of Las Vegas, and it's right by the old Barracks Bullfrog mine, right? It's right north of it. They already have a resource that they've expanded for 1 million ounces. They expect that they could almost double that resource, and they're hoping that they can follow up on some of those drill results they had last year of some high-grade feeder systems on that property, which could really catalyze KOR URZ. Earlier this week, we came out with a blurb on them about KOR URZ as one to watch as it got near its historic lows. Well, it's bounced off those lows and now has broken through the downtrend and regained the 200-day moving average. It's failed to hold it there several times, but we think that there are some catalysts in the next few weeks with their North Bullfrog property. We think Nevada is an exciting place to be. We think that KOR URZ has an excellent share structure and a very experienced management team with a track record of successes. So we're keeping a close eye on KOR URZ Gold and the recent break of the downtrend. Okay, we have a few seconds left, and we're going to take a look at gold. Gold appears to have broken the downtrend on very good volume. Notice the 200-day moving average is violated here. And we said at that time, whenever the 200-day is violated with gold, that is actually a buying opportunity. We've now reversed higher and broken that downtrend. So stay tuned and have a great weekend.